Hey friend, have you heard of AI Photos? It's a fantastic company that uses artificial intelligence to create artfully inspiring photos. They focus on couples, but individuals can also use their services. The best part is that clients appreciate the company's mission, customer support, and design. AI Photos aims to make every photo artfully inspiring, and they do just that. For only $4.99, you can access over 150 digital images, and if you want a print-ready photo, they offer it for $7.99. There are over 50 stars for men, women, and couples. But it's not just about the photos. AI Photos uses its cutting-edge AI technology to create realistic and unique digital avatars for various contexts, like social media, games, or virtual reality environments. They offer a limited time discount of 50% off, so you can have the chance to experience an unrealistic digital representation of yourself or your significant other. And the feedback from users is fantastic. Take Ahmad Satchel for example. He thinks it's a pretty cool app that's simple to use and creates exciting avatars in many different genres. He's even using one of AI Photos avatars and says the results are excellent. It took him a while to pick just one avatar because there were so many great options. Overall, AI Photos is worth checking out if you're looking for a fun and personalized virtual experience or just a unique digital representation of yourself or your significant other. With their advanced technology, excellent customer support, and fantastic design, you won't regret it. Highly recommend it. Have you heard of Merlin? It's a game changer for anyone who uses the internet daily. With Service, you have the power of OpenAI's ChatGPT technology at your fingertips, right in your browser. No more endless scrolling or wading through irrelevant information. Merlin can analyze text and generate summaries, action them, and video scripts. You can provide it with the full text of your content and ask it to create a resume based on that text. It will then analyze the text and offer a concise and comprehensive overview that includes all the content's main points and key details. Service can also help you write complex Excel formulas and codes with ease. Simply provide a prompt describing the function or operation you want, and Merlin will suggest a formula or code to get the job done. And what about those emails that seem to pile up every day? Service can help you with professional responses in no time. Provided with the context of the email, the desired tone, and the content of your answer, and watch as Merlin generates text that matches your style and scope perfectly. Merlin is also great for summarizing long-form content like documents, articles, books, or research papers. Just give it the title of your content or copy it and ask it to generate a summary, and voila, you'll have a shorter version of the content that still captures the essence of the paper. Service can even be an excellent tool for coding problems. Provide it with a brief description of your situation, and it will analyze your query and automatically write the code for you. And if you have a child curious about the world, ask Merlin any question they ask and watch as it explains the answer in simple, easy-to-understand language. Jamison, Lerner, and Michael are just two of the many people who have raved about the benefits of using Merlin. Jamison thinks the only addition that could improve the experience is the introduction of a voice mode, where you can dictate your queries and hear the answers read back to you. And Michael has been using the Merlin add-on for Chrome and can't say enough about how it's made web browsing so much easier with its built-in ad blocker, fast and safe search engine, and user-friendly interface. If you still need to start using Merlin, it's high time you tried it. Hey there, have you ever heard of Radar? This incredible social media management platform is designed to help small and medium-sized businesses with their online presence. It's like having a personal assistant for all your social media accounts. You won't believe how much easier your life will be with this tool. You see, as a digital marketer, it can take a lot of work to manage multiple social media accounts at once. You have to be a social media butterfly, flitting from one account to another, ensuring each gets the attention it needs. But with Radar, you can focus on other things while it takes care of all your accounts. Radar is packed with features that will make your life so much easier. It has everything from scheduling and posting posts to social media monitoring, analytics, password management, task management, URL shortening, landing pages, RSS feeds, and a shared library. And the best part? It supports all the major social media platforms. One of the standout features of Radar is its URL shortener. It's a game changer for your workflow and makes everything so much simpler. And the password manager is a lifesaver. You'll always remember a password again. The only downside is that it still needs to support Pinterest or GMB. But the developers are always listening to their community and adding new features, so who knows, they might add those platforms soon. With Radar, you can plan and schedule content and postings with your colleagues or customers for different social media channels. Once you prepare your content, Radar will automatically publish it to the selected social media channels and accounts on the specified dates or times. And you can track and analyze your social media activity with its analytics feature. It's like having a personal social media analyst. Radar has plans starting at $10 per month for the basic plan, which includes 3 social media accounts. The professional plan is $20 per month and includes 6 social media accounts. And the business plan starts at $60 per month and has 12 social media accounts. It's an investment, but trust me, it's worth every penny. Customers of Radar are in love with the tool. They say it's one of the most well-designed and easiest to use social media management tools, and the developers are constantly interacting with their community and making improvements, so you know the product will only improve. And here's the best part. For a limited time, you can get lifetime access to Radar for just $59. That's a savings of over 90% off the regular price. This is a deal you want to take advantage of, so don't wait. Get Radar today and make your life as a digital marketer a whole lot easier. Hey there, have you heard of CoinScreener? It's a one-stop shop for all your crypto trading needs. They offer real-time market data, AI signals, and a host of tools and resources to help you make informed decisions. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting, CoinScreener has something for you. So what makes CoinScreener so unique? For starters, they provide accurate real-time market data and insights powered by advanced technical analysis tools. And the best part, the AI signals generated by their system help you take your trading to the next level with confidence. With CoinScreener, you'll be able to make informed decisions quickly and easily. But that's not all. CoinScreener gives you access to the same strategies used by the pros. You can follow top traders and get alerts when they open, close, or adjust their positions, so you're always in the loop. And with their alerts on big buys and sells and whale activity tracking, you'll take advantage of every opportunity. CoinScreener is a paid product, but they offer a free trial so you can see how it works for you. And from what I hear, users are absolutely loving it. They have been raving about the ease of use, feature set, and support service. One user, NDT, wrote that he's been waiting for a tool like CoinScreener for a long time. He was thrilled to find information about whales and leading traders, which helped him trade confidently. And with the AI signals, he could find good trading opportunities even in his tough market. Another user, Akitas Haas, was equally impressed. He said he'd found the best assistant in his passion for trading. With CoinScreener, he has to follow a profitable trader and copy their actions, and his win rate is around 70%. That's some impressive results. So what are you waiting for? If you're looking for a comprehensive crypto trading solution, give CoinScreener a try. You won't be disappointed. Hey friend, have you heard of Copy AI? It's a fantastic tool for content creation. It uses natural language processing and deep learning to automate the content workflow and is available in over 25 languages. That's pretty cool. You can choose from various writing styles and tones depending on your target audience, making it a versatile tool for everyone, from social media managers and marketing agencies to freelance writers and business owners. With more than 90 tools and templates, you're sure to find something that fits your needs. One thing that sets Copy AI apart is its wide range of content templates. You can create anything from digital AD copy to social media posts, e-commerce copy, and YouTube scripts. And it's not just limited to short-form content. You can also use it for generating ideas for long-form content or blog posts. The best part? It's so easy to use. Sign up for an account via email, Google, or Facebook, and you'll be good to go. You'll even get 100 credits with each check costing 1 credit and generating 10 offers. That's enough to get a feel for the platform and see how accurate it is. When you're ready to create content, simply click on the template you want, enter your brand name and product description, and click Create Copy. It's that simple, and if you need to change the language, just go to the top right corner and select your preferred language. All your previous projects will be conveniently located in the top left corner, making it easy to manage your content creation. Copy AI even comes with a Chrome extension, so you can use it while working on other apps like Google Docs or Gmail. And if you're worried about plagiarism, the premium account includes a plagiarism checker feature. There is no need to sign up for another tool. Copy AI has covered you. The only downside is that the plagiarism checker is only available with a premium account. Otherwise, Copy AI is a fantastic tool for content creation. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting, it's worth checking out.